Hello everyone, we're going to talk about the recipe experience for the code process continuously. Last time we talked about the basic principle for the recipe, coding recipe. Now we're going to do the action for an example to see what happened tuning the recipe. First of all, we got a basic recipe body. The basic recipe body from the manufacturer or the technology supplier. It's a rough recipe, and we have to tune it to the perfect condition for our production. The basic body, just for example, like this, dispense the photoresist as using 500 RPM rotation and started dispense at 22 seconds. Then spin photoresist to extend with 4000 RPM. This is our recipe body, basic, from the manufacturer or the technology supplier, and use it the result with the wafer. You can visually see the color curve line just like this. The color curve lines, it means abnormal. And we measure the result of the thickness of the photoresist. It mean value about 11,000 angstrom. And the uniformity percentage is 9%. It's bad too. We need the mean value 12,000 and the uniformity percentage under 5%. Want to solve the visual abnormal pattern? We edit the recipe. PR dispensing time start from 22 seconds to 25 seconds. Just a little bit later to delay the start to dispense the photoresist, and delayed the 3 seconds start to dispensing. We get the result as it. The visual, the color pattern around the edge side. The color pattern is just like above, just like this. Around the edge side with the color pattern. It's also abnormal. and measure the thickness. The mean value above 11,000 and the uniformity still bad, 9%. And we can see that the central part, 8 point, thickness approaching to just 9,000, a little bit less, and the B point, the thickness approaching to 12,000. So the central is thinner and the edge side thicker, and the mean thickness less. We want it to 12,000. So we want to edit spin photoresist extended RPM with 3,500 from original 4,000 RPM. Use a little bit less RPM to increase its thickness. Let us see the result. Still have the visual color pattern abnormal around the edge side, but the thickness meaning value increasing to our spec 12,000 angstrom. But we still get a bad uniformity approaching to the 9%, and the 8 point thickness still a little bit less, and the B edge point thickness a little bit higher, equals the uniformity bad. So step 4, we want to solve the uniformity. We edit the photoresist dispense start time from 25 seconds to 23 seconds. Make it earlier to dispense the photoresist. Then we see no any visual pattern. It's normal. Visual normal, and the thickness still. Meaning value approach to 12,000 angstrom in spec, and the uniformity approaching to 5% in spec. Finally, okay, let's the example for the action to tune the recipe to reach our spec with thickness and uniformity. Okay, let's see you next time.